Hello my dear kids, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to continue with the activities of the chapter Summer Vacation from your reading comprehension worksheet, and for that you have to be ready with your worksheet page 7 till 10. I hope my kids have already read the chapter and learned the new words. Did you? Yes? Very good. So in the last session we have learned about the passage summer vacation, isn't it? And we know what the passage was about, and now we are going to comprehend what we have learned from the passage. So we are going to do some activities regarding the chapter. Are you ready, children? Yes? So shall we move on to the first activity? To the first activity, page 7, that is write the opposites. We have 4 words given here. These 4 words are very familiar for you because we may use them in our daily conversation, isn't it? So you have to write the opposite word of the words given here. Okay, so the first word given here is good. You are a good singer, you are a good student. Okay, so what will be the opposite of good? Very good, bad, isn't it? Good opposite, bad. Next one, end. End means the movie ends or the chapter has finished. Okay, another word of finish, that is end. So what will be the opposite of end? Begin. Okay, what will be the opposite of end? Begin is the answer. Next, best. You are the best dancer, or she is the best singer, best dancer. So what will be the opposite of best? It is worst. Okay, best opposite is worst. Worst means very bad. Okay, day. We all know what is mean by day, isn't it? What is the opposite of day? Night, isn't it? So we are going to write the answers one by one. I want everybody to take out your worksheet page 7 and write neatly with your pencil. Okay, so to the first one, good. Good opposite, bad. B-A-D, bad. End opposite, begin. B-E-G-I-N, begin. Best opposite, worst. See the spelling of worst, children? It's starting with W, W-O-R-S-T, worst. And day opposite is night, N-I-G-H-T. Okay, I hope it is clear. Please write very neatly using your pencils. Okay, and I want everybody to write and learn these opposites in your rough book. Okay, now we are moving on to the next activity, to the next page, page 8. That is to write the past tense. Past tense means something that has already happened, which has finished. Okay, so mostly past tense will be written by adding ed. Okay, so here we have 3 words given, like, stay, earn. Okay, so when we add ed to the word given, the word becomes past tense. Okay, so here the first one, like, it is L-I-K-E, isn't it? The word itself, it is ending with E. So to change into past tense, we have to add ed, isn't it? But here the word itself is ending with E. So no need to add E again. We need to write D. Okay, so I'll show you how to write. The past tense of like will be like, L-I-K-E. We need to just add D with E to change the word into past tense. Okay, next one, stay. So the past tense of stay will be add ed, S-T-A-Y-E-D, stayed. Okay, on, past tense will be earn. We have to add ed, E-A-R-N-E-D, earn. I hope it is clear for you. Okay, now you have an activity on the same page, page 8. That is, you have to write true or false. You have 2 questions, okay, and fill in the blanks. Again you have 2 questions, so you have to read the sentence and write whether it is true or false, and fill in the blanks. Again you have to read them and write the correct answer. Okay, so please do it by yourself. To answer them you have to be thorough with the passage. So those who haven't read the chapter, please read before you do the activity. Okay children, so these 2 are activity for you. You have to do it by yourself. Okay children, so the first activity is true or false and fill in the blanks of page 8. Okay, now we'll moving on to the question answer session. We have 3 question answers. So moving on to the first one, the question is, what did Riya do first on her summer vacation? What was the first thing that Riya did on her summer vacation, children? Where did she go? Yes, she went for her swimming class, isn't it? So how do we write that as an answer? Yes, we have to write, begin with first. The question is, what did Riya do first on her summer vacation? So you have to begin with first. Riya went for a swimming class on her summer vacation. Okay, so that will be the answer. So we are going to write the answer in the 4 line given. So begin with F capital, okay, F-I-R-S-T, first, comma. Riya is a proper name, proper noun, so you have to begin with capital letter R. Riya went, W-E-N-T, went for, F-O-R, a swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming, class, C-L-A-S-S, class, for her, H-E-R, her summer vacation, S-U-M-M-E-R, vacation, V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. So the answer is, first, Riya went for a swimming class for her summer vacation. Okay, so I want everybody to write neatly and leave 1 finger space. Okay. Second question is, which are Riya's favorite animals at the zoo? We learned that after her swimming class, she visited another place. An interesting place was the zoo, isn't it? She visited the zoo for the second time. So, which all animals were the favorite of Riya's? There were so many, there were different kinds of animals, isn't it? But there were 2 animals which was favorite for Riya. Which were those 2 animals, children? Yes, monkeys and elephants. So, how do we write them in an answer? Riya's favorite animals at the zoo were the monkeys and the elephant. Okay, so we are going to write the answer now. Begin with Riya, R capital, R-I-Y-A, apostrophe S, Riya's favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, at the, A-T, the, T-H-E, zoo, Z-O-O, at the zoo, where, W-E-R-E, where, the, T-H-E, the, monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys, and, A-N-D, and, the, T-H-E, the, elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Okay, so which are Riya's favorite animals at the zoo, children? Riya's favorite animals at the zoo were the monkeys and the elephant. Okay, moving on to the last question answer. What was the best part of the swimming class? What was the best part? which Ria and Max enjoyed a lot on her swimming class? Yes, when the teacher let them to jump off from the diving board. That was the best part in their swimming class, isn't it? So we are going to write the answer. It's a little big answer, so see that you write very neatly. The best part, B-E-S-T, best part, P-A-R-T, part of the swimming class, O-F, of the swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming class, C-L-A-S-S, class, was, W-A-S, was, when, W-H-E-N, when the teacher, T-H-E, the teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, let, L-E-T, Ria and Max are proper noun, so R must be capital. Ria and Max is also a person name, so M must be capital. Max, Ria and Max, to jump off, J-U-M-P, jump off, O-F-F, the, T-H-E, the diving board, D-I-V-I-N-G, diving board, B-O-A-R-D. Okay, so it's little big one, so I want everybody to write very neatly. You have 3-4 lines, so make use of these 3 lines and write very neatly and correctly. Okay, so the question was, what was the best part of the swimming class? So the best part of the swimming class was when the teacher let Ria and Max jump off from the diving board. Okay, so these are the 3 question answers which you have to write very neatly. Okay, and moving on to the last page, page 10, you can see an activity given. This is also an activity. As usual, you have to color it very neatly using your wax crayons or pencil crayons. Okay, so you have 2 activities from this chapter, that is page 8, true or false and fill in the blanks, and on page 10, color me. Okay, so you can color as beautiful as you can, but use only pencil crayons or wax crayons to color them. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of the chapter, summer vacation. Hope the chapter was very clear. I want everybody to read the chapter again, okay, and write and learn the new words, opposites, and please do the activities by yourself. Okay, so we shall see in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.